also suffered about air pollution, and also vehicles are the most pollution-causing agents of our environment. But have you ever raised this question with that? Why is it so? You're going out as you heard, you're seeing a car, even a lorry. But the question is, are we recommended to minimize the use of cars and trucks so as to reduce air pollution? For moving, a car needs to have an engine. An engine burns the fossil fuels, and thus the car moves. But in return, many different types of harmful gases are emitted from that combustion. So as to not form any explosion, there's a system known as exhaust, which is present in vehicles to convey the gases, the burnt gases, out of the engine.
But what's the association of it with pollution? Like, how's it causing pollution?
Combustion takes place inside the engine. Now, for combustion, oxygen is important. Oxygen, when taken out by the exhaust, it combines with nitrogen present in the air and thus forms nitrogen oxides. Nitrogen oxides are really malicious to our environment. And here's how. Nitrogen oxide interrupts the water cycle because it is released into the air, and it interrupts the water cycle. It penetrates into the water in the clouds, and when it penetrates and mixes with water, it forms acid, mainly HNO3, that is nitric acid. This comes down in the form of rain down to the earth and causes destruction, causes pain, causes itchiness, and many other skin problems as well. Then comes nitrogen oxide, the diseases it causes normally in the form of gases. Nitrogen oxide causes respiratory diseases when inhaled. Like it can cause, when you breathe in nitrogen oxide, it causes respiratory diseases like bronchitis, asthma, and many more, which are really very dangerous and painful to even listen. So why to let them touch you even? For curbing these kind of pollution, what you possibly can do is minimize the usage of vehicles. Although we all are well aware that vehicles have become such an important part of our life that we cannot stop them completely, but at least what we can do is minimize the usage of them. Like for covering short distances, you can prefer cycling or even walking, which is going to benefit you both ways. It's going to save the environment, and it's going to make you healthy. Thank you for watching.